And we're waking up to some clouds drifting through the area, some very strong winds. You may have heard them overnight. They're gusting right now closer to 30 or 40 miles per hour. The main part of the storm lifting into Minnesota now, but the trailing edge, the bottom half of the system, just bringing clouds here in our area. Luckily, no rain has really transpired from those clouds early this morning. Check out Las Vegas, though. It is pouring rain, pretty steady and widespread across southern Nevada. So that's pretty impressive. And as we tack on our temperatures, you can see these numbers are dropping significantly, already down to 41 degrees in Las Vegas. Check out our current temperatures here in Kansas City now, 12 degrees warmer. We are in the lower middle 50s, so not bad, Kansas City. Pretty good when we compare it to folks in Vegas. 52 in Independence today, for 53 in Lawrence, 54 St. Joe, 55 degrees in Clinton. And with that southerly breeze, these temperatures are sitting about 15 degrees warmer than they were just 24 hours ago, which is also very impressive. Some of those higher winds right now focused across northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas. In fact, we've seen a 32-mile-an-hour wind gust there at KCI, same for St. Joseph, a little stronger in Hiawatha, Topeka, inching above that 40-mile-per-hour range. And I do see some of those higher winds shifting east onto the Missouri side a little bit later this morning and afternoon, which is why this region has the wind advisory in place, and that goes until 6 p.m. this evening. Air temperatures this afternoon do get close to record levels. We are in the upper 60s all across the board. 64 Maryville, 68 in Pleasanton, 69 in Knob-Noster. So some folks certainly getting closer to 70 degrees. The record at KCI 68. I'm forecasting a high of 67, so just shy of that. We will watch and see if we can tie that previous record. Tomorrow, 63, still great, but it is calmer. It's going to feel a little bit better to be out there. The wind won't be blowing you around a whole lot. And then on Saturday, you can see much cooler weather starting to move in for the weekend. And here's why. We actually have a stronger cold front that passes through sometime Friday evening. You'll notice it's set up nearby tomorrow morning. Cloud cover in place. That warm front still delivers some pleasant weather, pleasant temperatures for the afternoon. But behind it, colder air starts to wrap in as the storm sweeps through. And along that front, some rain is possible and maybe an isolated rumble of thunder. That would be between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. Friday night, especially on the Missouri side. Then it gets colder. You can see that showing up here on our 10-day forecast for the weekend. 42 are high on Sunday. That's very seasonal with rain that will stay to our south.